This video explains how individual organizations or MISMO workgroups can use MISMO Link Model Explorer Tree View to assist in creating a dataset specification mapping. It is recommended that you first watch the MISMO Link Tree View tutorial video before proceeding with this walkthrough. Also note that future modules of MISMO Link, namely the Dataset Management module, will contain additional features and automations. Building a dataset specification is often a manual and time-consuming process, requiring users to jump back and forth between multiple artifacts and spreadsheets, copying and pasting information to ensure MISMO compliance. By leveraging the Model Explorer Tree View, data hierarchies can be easily explored, and data element details can be copied with a single click, all within one interface. Let's walk through an example. Suppose we want to create a dataset specification mapping for a custom integration or within a MISMO workgroup in the title request space, and we want it to be based on model version 3.6.2. Based on some preliminary research, we'll also assume that many existing data elements within the title request detail container will meet our needs. So we'll begin our search there. We'll navigate through the tree hierarchy, following the yellow badges, until we reach the title request detail container and can view the full list of available data points. As we review the data points, we can identify several that should be included in our dataset specification. For example, let's select insured name. After selecting this data point, we compare the definition to our requirement needs and confirm that this is a data point that would be useful in our specification mapping. It's the right data point, in the right location. If we click Copy Data Point Information to Excel-friendly format, all of the information displayed in the Data Element Details pane is copied and ready to paste into Excel. When we open Excel and paste, all relevant details for this data point, including the unique ID, parent container, data point name, definition, XPath, and MISMO data type, are populated automatically in a familiar tabular format. We can continue building our dataset specification by selecting additional data points. Let's choose a type field next, such as Name Insured Type, which will have a list of MISMO-defined enumerations which typically must be defined in a dataset specification. We'll follow the same steps to copy the data point information and paste it into Excel using the on-screen shortcut. Note, when we pasted this time, the full list of enumerations was also copied over to the working Excel document. In a single click, from a single source of truth, we were able to obtain data element details to create a dataset specification based directly on MISMO standards. We can repeat this process to add several more fields to our growing dataset through the 3 easy steps. Select the data point, copy the data point details, paste into Excel. Of course, you'll still need to apply your own formatting in Excel and add columns for items such as conditionality, implementation notes, or other organization-specific requirements as applicable. However, with just a few clicks, we can quickly and efficiently begin building a dataset specification mapping. Without navigating across multiple artifacts, manually re-entering information, or copying and pasting each data element detail individually, all of which can introduce errors. Thank you for watching this tutorial. Be sure to watch the additional videos to learn more about using individual features such as the tree view, model view, and dictionary.